kayo maingay sa labas. So, mag-open tayo na ito. Sample package from Langma Packaging.
Okay, so quick unboxing lang muna tayo ng mga in-order natin for our new packaging para sa ating mga cups, no? Whether hot cups or iced drinks yung orderin nyo. Ito na yung i-expect nyo from Daddy G Cafe. So, yan. So, yung unang box na nabuksan ko is box of samples pala. So, mga sample products nila na ino-offer. So, if you want to order some of these products, you can reach them at Langma Packaging over on Facebook. And I think may Instagram din sila. So, check nyo na lang din. Now, ito talaga yung in-order ko for our
Nakita
shop.
nyo yung kanina, hindi yun talaga. Ito yun. This is what we got from them. So, natin yung itsura sa cups natin.
So, ito yung itsura niya. So, expect this type of packaging sa upcoming mga events natin for our other future plans para sa Daddy G Cafe. And if you haven't, please do visit us here at Abad Homes, Medisyon 1B, Imus, Cavite. I hope to see you soon.